Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can upload photos to Pinterest. So you have a Pinterest account you use Pinterest. You see a lot of photos, you download and save a lot of photos from Pinterest. Now you want to upload some photos to Pinterest as well, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to upload some photos in Pinterest in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do in order to upload a picture to Pinterest is open a browser and go to pinterest.com. You can do it from the Pinterest mobile application as well. It's the pretty same process. Just follow the same steps in the mobile application. You'll do it there as well. So go to pinterest.com. Once you go to pinterest.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to upload the picture from. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on your profile icon, you land on your profile. Here on the bottom right, you'll see an add button. Tap on that, then tap on create a pin. Once you tap on create a pin, an interface like this will open. Here what you want to do is drag and drop or click to upload a picture that you want to upload. So once you upload the picture, add a title to your picture. Once you add a title, you can also write something about the pin if you want to write it. Once you do it, what you want to do is tap on the drop down button, then select the board that you want to add the picture to, then tap on the save button besides the board. Once you tap on the save button, you'll successfully upload the picture that you wanted to upload to your Pinterest account. Follow the same steps in your mobile application as well, and you'll be able to upload a picture into Pinterest through your mobile application as well. So those were the simple steps in order to upload a photo to Pinterest. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.